What is up, everybody? Welcome to a very special edition of Mail Time here on the BurnDown YouTube channel. My name is Dane Thompson. If it's your first time here, welcome. I don't know why this would be your first video. Please go look at something a little more interesting. But if you've been around, this one is going to be fun for you guys because it is very cool for me. So a real quick backstory. A couple years ago, I found Sloppy Mechanics, and I actually found the wiki first because I was trying to research Turbo LS builds because I was like, I really want to do it. I always wanted a turbo car, and way back in the day, I wanted a turbo Honda because I thought that was like the coolest thing ever. Obviously, shows you how much I know. But yeah, I found the LS platform, Turbo LS stuff, ran across the wiki, found the actual videos. My buddy Jim, that drives that yellow Vega that you guys saw on Fastest Car this season, he turned me on to the videos. So I started watching them, and it was more so kind of fun. You know, I didn't take it 100% serious because he'd make like cheesy dry humor jokes and slam things together with impacts. And one day I had a really crappy motor. Some guy he literally was trying to give it to his buddy to hold his dock down in like a pond. And I was like, dude, the rods are in it, still good, you know? And I was like, what do you want for it? I got it for 60 bucks. It'd been sitting in the dirt for like a month, like pretty much open. It was a long block, but the pan was off of it, and he brought bolts and hardware off the thing. I had that thing kicking around. One day we were at Jim's house, and I was like, you know what? I want to cam swap an LS motor. Never touched it, never cracked one open in my entire life. And he's like, okay, you know, get the torque. Let's clean this one up. You know, the one that I had, because it was 60 bucks. It was a 4.8. I couldn't sell the thing. And I was like, no, you didn't hear me. I don't want to clean it. I want to cam swap it. And then he smiled because he knew exactly what I was getting at. And honestly, I was like, if Matt Happel from Sloppy Mechanics can slam these things together, it either works or it doesn't. The guy's either full of BS or it really is that simple. Well, fast forward 2 years later, here we are. You guys know that I have a Turbo LS build. The head gaskets that the head gaskets that are on that thing have been used 5 times. Reuse the head bolts. Pretty much everything that I've learned from Sloppy, I've applied it to my build, and the damn thing keeps running, and it keeps surprising me. And I keep laughing. At this point, for a $100 short block, I figured it'd be blown to pieces by now, especially being amateur hour with tuning and stuff over here and learning. But I've taken baby steps and just snuck up on it, and it seems to be working quite well. So now that I've said that, I'll probably blow the damn thing to pieces on my next trip to the dyno, but whatever. So anyways, this package is special because it is from Matt Happel and Jamie Happel over at Sloppy Mechanics. I sent them a couple cups a few years ago as a big thank you for all the information that he puts out and just shares all willy-nilly with everybody. And I thought it was super cool, and I was like, man, it's a lot of effort to do that. And especially since I started my own channel, I really realized the editing and the hours it goes into that just to share something for free with somebody so they can better themselves is tremendous. Well, I've kind of kept in contact with him, and I guess I've done a decent enough job that he actually watches my channel, so thank you very much, Matt. And then he reached out to me and said he wanted to send me a few items. So I'm going to share that with you guys because a lot of you guys on here, I send everybody that comes on here over to Sloppy because I'm not the guru when it comes to most of this stuff. And a lot of it I just get off the forums and actually from Sloppy Mechanics. But there are a few things I want to try this season on my own. So that's probably when we'll start blowing motors up. But without further ado, just like the old Happel, but he has a razor knife. I don't know what side is up. I'm assuming this side because it's got a label. So let's see. Some of you guys kind of know what's in here. But I'm sure there's some other stuff. And we don't. So let's find out what we got. No. All right. We got... It's funny. I sent a bunch of rags when I sent those bottles because I was terrified they were going to get scratched. Sweet. All right. Oh, we got the pizza. I know you wrote that, Matt. I know that Jamie had nothing to do with that one. All right. Oh, that's very cool. And then this is where my dyslexia and my reading capability is really going to shine. So it says, the thank you card. Dane, thank you for your continued support throughout the years. Looking forward to seeing you use the pink gem Matt has included. The pink gem. Matt also included other goodies, and I put a piece of the East Coast in the box. Cam Powers loves this flavor, so I hope you enjoy black cherry. Sloppy Mechanics, Matt and Jamie. That is very cool. Thank you very much. Let's see what we got. All right, first and foremost, love the treats. Actually, these are probably for my boy because we already eat these. He loves those things. This is sweet. Let's pause it 1 second. I'm gonna go get him real quick so he can open that before we get too carried away. Hey, Wes! Wes! All right, he's coming. He is out in the backyard playing, so I'm just gonna shut this. Come here, buddy. You wanna check this out? What? Come here. Look at it. We got some cool stuff. So this is from Matt Happel and Jamie. Look, they sent a little thank you and they sent a note. And they said there's some stuff in the box. So let's open it up. There's some stuff. I think there's something special in there for you. All right, check it out.
Hot Wheel?
Hold on, Ripper. What else did you get?
I got another Hot Wheel too.
Oh yeah? What is this? All right, let's see it. All right, hold on. What is this? Hold it up, you gotta show everybody. Is that cool?
Yes, I got another ice cream cup.
Another one?
Yes.
What do you say?
Thank you.
What is this? Hold this up. This is very cool.
What is in the bag?
What is that?
That's super cute.
That matches your dad's shirt. I have one just like it. You gotta show everybody. What do you say?
Thank you.
Give him a big thumbs up. All right, what else do we got? All right, so this is coil extensions, I believe. So I got 2 of those. So if you want to move the coil packs off the top of the motor and run them because of headers, clearance, and things like that. So these are cool. I think those are War Performance. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Heat Wave. Oh, no. We got some Heat Wave sunglasses. You want to try these on?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, we looking good? Looking slick. What else is in the box? You got to keep them on. Here, I'll put them on. All right. What is this? Let's get this one out of here. Whoa. A treat. This is a treat. Big Taste. Black cherry. I don't even know what that is, so I'm going to have to try that. We're going to have to try that one. Big stickers. Hold them up. You got to show everybody. Elgin. I actually have the Sloppy Stage 2 in my car, which Elgin makes. And then I also have it going in the Twinnebago. Awesome. Okay. What else you got? Here, hold this one up. Some tape. Electrical tape.
For me?
Sure, why not?
This is for me.
This is for me. All right, and then, ooh, I got a map sensor. So I believe this is a 3-bar map we can use. Thank you very much, Matt. Oh, and the big dog. All right, this is what everybody is after. So, War Performance. All right, excuse me, buddy. Tell everybody thank you.
Thank you.
All right, see you later, alligator. Say thank you, Matt Happel.
Thank you, Mom.
Say thank you, Jamie.
Thank you.
Okay. You want a sticker too? All right, go put that in your car bag. That is very cool. Thank you very much, guys. And a bunch of, I think these are for keys and all kinds of stuff so you don't lose things. This is like a grab bag. So this thing I knew was coming. So what this is a War Performance. And they're actually from Fresno, which is funny. So they shipped it to you and then basically back here to me. And this is my jam, because that's what I said in his post. My wife's clapping over there. I got a bubblegum pink War throttle body. So we are going to put this on. I'm going to pay mine forward to somebody. I'm going to show you guys how terrible it is. I actually have a plug because somebody drilled a hole in the blade in my throttle body. So this is going to work awesome. I will actually test it, review it, all that fun stuff on a whole separate video just for these guys. So I hope you're not disappointed. War Performance. And I am actually very stoked. This is really cool, you guys. You guys sent me a bunch of stuff, and it was very unexpected. So thank you very much for that. Sorry I butchered your note. One of the coolest mail times so far. Oh, he's got 2 of them. That is awesome. Well, thank you guys for watching. We're going to put this to good use in an upcoming video, and then you can expect the zip tie drag video coming soon. I have tons of editing to do, and since I'm here, we might as well try this real quick. It is warm. I don't know if that changes how it tastes or not. Oh no. That is really good. I like that. I'm going to have to hit you up for some more. I don't know where I can get this, if I can get this here. That's it. You guys are awesome. I'm out.